Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.10.4. Today we will work on your English vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, reading, and communication skills. We begin with beginning English video lesson 10 of 52. So to start, we click on this link. And the first part, watch and practice along with the speaking practice video. Try to do this video at least 2 times, okay? Then you have part 2, you have a pronunciation video. Try to do this, watch this video 2 to 3 times and pronounce together with the video. Part 3, you can play the audio.
Hi, today my friend Ashley is coming over. I am showing her my new apartment. Oh, that's Ashley calling.
So you listen and read along with the audio. You read the dialogue. And then if you don't understand any parts of this dialogue, feel free to use the translation section here. You just click on a flag and it will translate this dialogue into your primary language. After you finish with the dialogue, you watch the video 1 or 2 times, and this is the lesson. It's only 5 minutes long. Finally, you do the online quiz, and you click here. What do you do after you exit the metro?
What do you do after you exit the metro?
Exit the metro and turn right.
Okay, so turn right after you exit. Turn at the light, turn and exit, turn into the bus station. So turn right after you exit. And it's green, that means it's correct. And there are 5 more questions after that. You just click on the next question. Okay, students, please do your best with this lesson. Thank you so much for working so hard. And congratulations, this is the last lesson of the week. Best wishes.